Hello, good day. My name is Rose Hapadese, 27 years old, a butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I will show you the 5 standard cuts of a whole cheese chicken. But before we proceed to cutting, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using a holding stick in a 45 degrees angle. Now, let's proceed to cutting. These are the 5 standard cuts of a whole dressed chicken: backbone, the drumstick, the thigh part, the wings, and the breast. That's all. Thank you.